Salesforce is one of the leading CRM platforms out there, and in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use it for client relationship management. If you've been searching for an easy way to manage and nurture your client relationships, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock the full potential of Salesforce for your business. Before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can use Salesforce for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better, so make sure to check it out after the video. First things first, Salesforce is a powerful tool that can help you organize, track, and analyze your client interactions all in one place. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large team, Salesforce allows you to store your client information, track sales opportunities, and manage your communication with ease. It's designed to improve the way you manage client relationships and make sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. Next thing, let's talk about setting up your Salesforce account. When you first log in, you'll want to customize your dashboard to fit your business needs. Salesforce gives you the option to create custom fields and workflows, so you can capture and track the information that's most relevant to your client relationships. Take a few minutes to get familiar with the interface and organize it in a way that makes sense for your team. The third thing you should know is that Salesforce allows you to store all client communication in one place. Whether it's emails, phone calls, or meetings, you can log all these interactions in your CRM, making it easier to stay on top of every conversation you have with clients. This means you won't lose track of important details and can refer back to them whenever needed. Next up, Salesforce's automation features are a game changer. You can set up workflows to automatically send follow-up emails, reminders, and even trigger specific actions based on client behavior. For example, if a client hasn't responded to an email in a certain number of days, Salesforce can remind you to follow up. This level of automation saves you time and ensures that your clients always feel valued. Now, let's talk about reports and analytics. Salesforce gives you the tools to measure the success of your client relationships. You can track metrics like sales performance, customer satisfaction, and overall business growth. These insights help you make data-driven decisions and fine-tune your approach to managing clients. The fifth thing you'll want to take advantage of is Salesforce's integration with other tools. Whether you're using marketing automation software, email platforms, or customer support systems, Salesforce integrates seamlessly with these tools, giving you a holistic view of your client data across multiple platforms. And finally, let's wrap up with Salesforce's mobile app. With the mobile app, you can manage your client relationships on the go. Whether you're traveling for business or meeting a client outside the office, you can access all your client information and updates right from your phone. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Salesforce can streamline client relationship management for your business. Remember, Salesforce is available for free, and by signing up through the link below, you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link for your extended free trial.